For today's project, we're going to be building a secret office, and this is the floor plan that we've got set up right now, and we're going to have to make a few adjustments and then add a wall and then make a few secret doors to have access to that little office. So as you can see here, we've got a about 20 by 14 foot room, and we've got a fireplace in the corner, a couple of couches. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a wall about 5 foot from the east wall. And we have desks and some furniture that we're going to stick back there. And so what we're going to have to do is move this couch and these two recliners, move them closer to the west. And then we're going to be able to add our wall and put our door in a secret fashion. So first thing I'm going to do is move this furniture out of the way. And then I need to add a wall. So I'm going to go up here to my interior wall. It's I want it to be 8 foot tall and thickness of about 4.5 inches, which is a standard 3.5 inch thickness stud with a 1/2 inch drywall on either side. So that's what we're going to do right here. Just click on the wall and you can see that dimension from the east wall. Well, we want that to be about 5 foot, and as you can see, it's center to center, so I'm going to go 5'3" roughly, and I'll show you my interior dimensions, which is slightly under where I want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and move that over ever so slightly until I get 5 foot 1/2 inch. That's close enough for planning purposes. So we're going to get a door in here, and I'm going to set 2 doors to the left and right, and these are going to be bookshelves, but I'm just going to put a door as a representation here. So from here, I want to place these doors about 12 inches from the edge so that I can fit my love seat right in between them, and then I'm going to throw my recliners right in front of where those doors are going to be. So I'm going to have to lean the recliner forward a little bit to access behind my wall and get to that bookshelf. Alright, so there you have it. We're going to build this wall. It's about 14 feet long, 4.5 inches wide, and we got 2 door casings that we're going to have to put in. So we're going to go ahead and build some bookshelves, and one of them may be permanent, the other one may just open because I plan on having a desk up on the north side window and maybe a printer stand in the center here. And I need access from one side only, and no need to have 2 doors in such a small space. So this may be completely closed. So I'm gonna put that down like a closed door right now. All right, so there you have it. That's our plan, and we're gonna go ahead and get this project started. Okay, so this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to build a custom bookshelf door inside of a fake wall that we built to hide our office. Alright, so here's the plan. The wall is about 13 feet wide and floor to ceiling, and there's 2 door openings in it, and the plan is to have one door be a solid bookshelf, so it doesn't open or close. It's just a built-in shelving unit, and then we have a second one which is going to open. So I'm going to show you what we're trying to accomplish. You pull this book out and then push the door and it will open in. See that? So what we need to do is, I'm going to hide this real quick. We need to create a mechanism here, and what I've devised is a pulley on a wire wraps around, and the wire is connected to a latch. So we'll go ahead and look at that latch right now. this is the inside of the office. We're going to put a latch here, right on the side of the bookshelf, and then as it closes, it latches shut. I've also devised 2 ways to open it, and I think I'm going to get rid of this way, because right here you have a little hinge basically that you should be able to push in and out, and that will open the door. It'll push the book forward and do the same movement to open the latch as tilting the book forward from the outside. See this? So I needed a slot in the back, and then I just push it. But I wasn't a big fan of having a big handle sticking out the back side of my bookshelf. I know that's going to get in the way. So what I did devise instead was a knob. I literally took a knob from a door, and then the little square rod that goes through the shaft of the knob, I extended it and added a screw. Alright? So this screw is tapped into that square rod. So when I twist this, that screw will lift up the book and tilt it forward just about yay high. So it'll tilt up to about there, and actually a little bit further. So we're going to be sure to open our latch using the doorknob as well as using our book as a mechanism. So these are going to work in tandem. All right. So from the top view here, here's the outside of our wall, here's the inside of our office, and we got to hinge this bookshelf door and butt it right up to the trim we put on the front, so there's no reveal. There's no way of knowing this door should open. And when you pull this book, that's the only way to get in. Pull the book, door will open. Got it? All right, cool. Let's make this real and head out to the shop. Thanks for watching.